Just kind of relax. Relax. Let your head just fall down. Just try to relax. Let your head come down. Side. Good. Come lay right here on your back.
Feel good, don't it? Feel good, don't it?
Real.
I told you. Just relax and do his work.
I wouldn't.
How long?
Turn this way towards me. All the way on your side. This way.
This way.
Yeah. Bend this knee up. Bend this knee here. Pull this one down. Back. Just relax. Turn the other way. And now that's right there. Lay on your back.
Now you're actually able to adjust the hips.